In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create professional PDF invoices for your Shopify store. This is a crucial aspect of managing your online business efficiently and ensuring a smooth transaction experience for both you and your customers. Today, we'll walk through using Shopify's native tools, such as the Order Printer app, to customize and automate invoice creation. To begin with, we must consider the essential elements that you should include on your invoice. This typically involves your logo, store name, and address to ensure branding consistency. You'll also want to capture important customer information like their name and address, which aids in personalizing their experience. Don't forget to include detailed order information. This means item descriptions, quantity, price, applicable taxes, shipping fees, and any discounts offered. Additionally, an invoice number, the invoice date, and the payment method are necessary to keep records clear and traceable. If relevant, include terms, conditions, and any tax registration numbers mandated by your country's regulations. Once you've determined these components, you're ready to choose a tool or method for invoice creation. If you're inclined toward a visual design approach, using an app designed for this purpose can be quite beneficial. Look for an app that allows you to customize the look of your invoices with your logo, preferred colors, and layout. It should support default invoice numbering, send them automatically, and be compliant with your local tax laws. On the other hand, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, consider using Shopify's Order Printer app. This gives you the flexibility to plan and implement the layout using HTML, liquid variables, and CSS to tailor-make your invoices. Next, you'll want to install your chosen app, or if you're using the Order Printer method, ensure it's configured properly. Create a new template or edit an existing one, incorporating liquid variables like order.line items dots and price order total price to dynamically populate order details. Remember, styling is critical. Align it with your brand using appropriate fonts, colors, and logo sizes, and ensure everything is easy to read. Now, it's time to put everything to the test. Generate a PDF invoice from a test order and review if all information appears as expected without anything missing. Check how it functions in different scenarios, such as orders with tax, without tax, or those including discounts and shipping fees. Also, make sure the layout holds up when printed on standard paper sizes like A4 or letter. If desired, you can automate this process by setting invoices to be emailed automatically upon order fulfillment or payment confirmation. Some tools will also allow you to embed a link to the invoice in your order confirmation or thank you emails. Finally, it's essential to update your invoice template as your business evolves. Should your address, tax registration, or branding change, reflect these changes in your template. Regularly review your invoices to ensure they comply with local legal and business practice requirements. By maintaining detailed and professional invoices, you uphold a strong image and facilitate better customer relations. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips enhance your Shopify invoicing process.